Is Marvel Rivals playing more like Marvel Slideshow? Frustrated by the lag? Don't smash your keyboard just yet. Here are a few tweaks to potentially fix your performance issues. First, let's tell Windows to prioritize Marvel Rivals. Type graphics settings into your Windows search bar and press enter. Click Browse and navigate to where Marvel Rivals is installed. Usually, it's in your Steam library under Steam Apps, Common, and then the Marvel Rivals folder. Once you've found the executable, click Options. Choose High Performance to force Windows to use your dedicated graphics card. Then, hit Save. Next, let's dive into your graphics card settings. Open the Nvidia control panel. If you're on AMD, open the AMD software, Adrenalin Edition. Go to Manage 3D Settings and then click on the Program Settings tab. Select Marvel Rivals from the drop-down. If it's not there, click Add and find the game's executable again. Here's what to adjust. Change Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance, and set texture filtering quality to high performance. Don't forget to click Apply. Hopefully these simple steps have improved your Marvel Rivals performance. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if this helped you.